Hi guys, I am back out on track for the first time in 2023 because I've missed the hype. We're here with Hype Motorsport driving their amazing fleet of cars with the brand new upgrades. Let's get to it. Hype Motorsport offers premium and personalised services for track day car rental, corporate events and track experience days just like today. Their partnership with Climate Positive also means your event is run sustainably and certified carbon neutral. They have an amazing setup, amazing team and an amazing fleet of cars. So let's take a look. First up on the fleet we've got the Alpine A110S. The 1.8 litre turbocharged pocket rocket takes you 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds, with further new upgrades to include Yokohama track tyres, suspension secret setup and geo, live 110 trackpad, and Miltech Sport tracker and exhaust system. And then leading on to the Porsche Cayman 718 GTS. The flat 4 turbocharged GTS will shoot you to 60 in just 4.1 seconds. It has recently had some massive upgrades, including 18-inch track wheel conversion with Yokohama tyres, suspension secrets, track setup and geo, Miltech sports exhaust, plus gyro disc brake upgrades. And saving the best till last is the beast, the M2 competition. And it's had the best upgrades of all. So we have the Yokohama track tyres, suspension secrets setup and geo, Miltech sport exhaust, plus a full club sport conversion including bucket seats, harnesses and roll cage. Today I'm at Donington Park with two 20-minute sessions in the M2 and two in the Porsche, but we're starting off in the M2. Whilst the first session started off extremely wet, it was a lot of power to control, but the car had been set up incredibly and was so much fun when we started to push to the limits. My second session of the day was right at the end, so we had a nice empty track and it was dry, so we really started to push. So let's have a look at one of those quick laps from the last session. The two sessions in the Porsche were pretty much in the middle of the day with lunch separating them. The car is, as you would expect of a Porsche, it handled the track so well, but thanks to these nifty upgrades, even better than expected. We really started to push and was one of the quickest things out there by the end of our last session. The instructors really know the car's ins and outs and they let you push to the limit of you and the car. It was great fun to experience this. So let's look at an onboard of the best lap in the Porsche. we even ended the day with Driver of the Day.
So there we have it, guys. It has been an absolutely incredible day, lots of fun and a great start to the 2023 season on track. Before you head off this video, make sure to check out Hype Motorsport. It is worth the hype. But for now, you guys all know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.